How do you know if it's on?
There's a red button.
Oh, yes, it's on. Janie's experience on the trampoline. Kids, always be safe. Never do this at home.
There's a bed.
I'm just jumping up. Watch out, let me try backflip. I won't drop it. Don't move. Pockets, move. Now Janie doing a backflip in 10th. I'm just going to show what it sees. I'm going to do a backflip. Now Blake doing a backflip. Now Blake doing a backflip. Don't I know? Holly, why is off camera?
You don't want it, though.
Woo! Now Blake doing a twist. Possibly.
Oh,
No.